Baby bus.
Little driver, come pick your car. Airplane. Hello, how can I help you?
Are there any popular countries to visit? Help me pick one. I want to go there.
United Kingdom. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Please take your ticket. Ladies and gentlemen, we are passengers. Please put away your tray table. Passengers, please fasten your seatbelt. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Cabin check is complete. Please tap on the start button. Push the throttle. Slide the wheel to fly. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way. Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly. Let's go and play a football match. We have to change into our football uniform before going to the match. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. The safety check is complete, and you did a great job. Passengers, we will arrive in Indonesia shortly. I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. There are fish around here. Go toss the bait in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. Let's make a pot of fish soup with the fish we caught. Let's enjoy the fish soup together. Passengers, the meal service is now starting.
I'm done eating. I like the food.
Passengers, we will arrive in the United Kingdom shortly.
Wow, I want to go to that museum.
Unable to download. Thank you for traveling on the Baby Bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.